Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here we start with our next zodiac sign, that is Aries. Aries 2021 December. So let's see what we have for Aries. Inner check. Aries are going through a major inner check. In the past, there was a lot of abundance in your life, Aries. What happened this last month of the year? I feel that Aries, you are going through a lot of energies which are hidden. Aries, you are going through a time in your work where you're feeling very confused, no clarity, clouded. What should I do? That kind of a thing. There's a full stop right now. Okay. I feel at work, a lot of moon energies are ruling you. So you're more in an emotional space. That is why the work is not moving forward. Also, I feel Aries, please check your nazar negativity or black magic because there could be something around that on you. That is why your work is not moving forward. First week of December for Aries is a struggle that you will overcome. See, we all have our struggles. But the best part of the struggle is if you're able to overcome and find solutions to overcome it. So that is what is going to happen in the first week. You're going to overcome all your struggles. Okay. All the obstacles that were there in your workspace up till now. Second week, you will get help or you will meet a lot of people. I feel at work who are going to help you, guide you. Maybe something will be taken forward because of your friends. And there is also a energy of party and celebration, that sort of a thing. Third week is partnership. Third week is coming together with someone. So maybe if at work, if you're getting into some kind of partnership, it will do good to you. If you're meeting people, someone like an old friend or an old lover or something in workspace, I'm talking about, it will benefit you. A lot of help, togetherness is coming to you, Aries. Definitely partnership for sure in work or business will be a very, very good thing. Now the fourth week. Fourth week, you're feeling a little disappointed because you're not able to balance out maybe all the work that you've taken, or something about the past might show up and you will say, oh my god, this happened before. So don't get triggered. Look at the positive side of life, and that is where you will be able to balance work, money, everything. So in the fourth week also, I feel that please take care of your money. Hold on to it tightly. Okay. Balancing out might drain you. So that might happen. So now I've seen this reading. Please look into it. So the first week is struggle, but the struggle will be overcome. It's a positive card. Second week, coming together, friends, help, celebration. Third week, partnership. And fourth week, balance, but with a little disappointment. But that disappointment, you should not let it take over you. See the positive side because there is a positive side over there also. And please hold on to your money. Right? Let's see what we have in our relationships. Okay. Relationship Aries 2021 December. Releasing. Wow. You're releasing all the toxic people around you in the month of December, Aries. You're moving on from all the nonsense that was there in your life. But yes, this time it's more of a challenging time. You have to let go of your controls because everything is not in your control, Aries. Or maybe you are in relationship, you get controlled. Okay? It could be either or. Right? Lot of wisdom, lot of learning is coming to you. Okay? I think there will be an offer coming to you in love, but you're going to be confused about it because you're still holding on to the past energies. or maybe the current relationship is also offering to be better and you are not still decided whether you should. So just reach out to someone, reach out to a friend, reach out to someone who can give you the right advice. Okay, spread your wings, believe in yourself, just go for it. This relationship which is coming to you in December, or the relationship you are in, if your partner is wanting to make it better, please do it, because it's a reward from the universe. So whoever's single, a relationship will come to you which is one of the most amazing ones. And if you're already in a relationship, then the relationship will definitely be in a very balanced way. The amount of love you're giving, you're getting it back. It's a good month, good month, good month. Okay, so let's see what fairy message we have for our Arians. Okay. Look in a book. Whatever your question right now, you will find the answer in a book. The word you find will bring the insight you seek. So maybe Aries, you have a habit of reading and you might find some answers in a book. You might find some answers in the words you listen. Maybe you hear, sometimes you're watching TV, watching a show, and that is a wisdom that comes to us. Or maybe sometimes you're reading something and some wisdom might come to us, right? So please screenshot this card and absorb this beautiful fairy energy. Right? It's a beautiful message. So that's all, Aries, for this month. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon. Don't forget to call me for paid appointments only and email me for paid appointments only. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and share this video with family and friends, whoever, all the Arians of the world. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye, God bless, bye bye, bye bye, see ya.